Alright, and so that is my beautiful lady Eunice.
Hi guys.
So Eunice, what are you going to cook for us today?
Oh, today I'm going to be making green soup called Ebunabunu. I'm going to use spinach. In Ghana, it would have been kontomire. That's okra. And that's onion. And that's pepper. I love pepper, so I have a lot here. First,
alright,
I'm going to go start with the goat.
Okay.
The goat meat.
Okay.
Since we'll be finishing this up, I'm going to use a lot. Ajune, which is the dry fish.
The dry fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put the supaku, which is the salted, yeah, and then I'm going to add some of this sauce to it. Add onions in there. And then 2 big tomatoes.
So once we added all the ingredients that we're going to steam, that is how it really looks.
So now I'm gonna cook the snail. But this is the snail.
Oh, this is the snail.
Yeah, a little bit of salt. Just a little bit to cut the slimy part.
We have our snail on the fire.
Yeah.
How long are you going to cook it for?
Not too long. Let's say 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Alright.
Now everything is up on heat. This is like getting softer, the tomatoes and the onions. So snail too is getting to a level where it's getting softer. Let's see if I can get them. Water and just put it in. And I'm gonna stir. I have this spinach. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, when you get them out. This is how it looks like.
This is how it looks like.
So me, I don't cook it, so I'm just gonna put it in the blender. And it has water in already. Now I'm gonna blend this. This is how the spinach looks, so green. So we're just gonna wait. And then we're gonna put it in the soup. That's the snow. The snow is almost done.
The snow is almost done.
Yeah. So I'll take it out soon. And I'm gonna stir this soup a little bit. Taste the salt to see. I'm gonna wash the snail. There's sand and stuff in there. Yeah, so I try to get rid of the slimy stuff. So I'm going to pour some of the snail water in. The soup is just going to be an ongoing soup till it's cooked. And then you can just add the green stuff. I'm going to put the okra on. So then I add a little bit of baking soda to make it slimy.
We are going to also make our fufu because there's no way you're going to eat this soup without fufu.
Add a little bit of the baking powder. Now the soup is ready. So I'm going to make it cool down. Now we're done with the soup. The soup, I'm going to add this later, but now I'm just going to make sure it cool down a little bit and then we can add the green soup. I'm going to add the green stuff in, and I'm going to stir it. Don't just pour all of it. I pour some of it, stir it. Now it's turning green. So now the soup is green. The green soup is all this. That's it. Some of that. Let's go.
It's our green soup and our fufu. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For coming on the show, the Cook menu, to show us something new from Ghana.